Hey guys, this is Phuihsah and it's my first YouTube video. I'm so excited for this since I've been planning to do this since a very long time. I've decided that I will be doing a hairstyling video. It's gonna be something different. I'm gonna braid my hair with the help of the extension. So I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna do the braiding part. Okay guys, before moving on to the braiding part, I'm gonna tell you something about my channel. My channel is gonna be mostly about hairstyling, outfit inspired videos, and fashion, makeup. I'm gonna blog as well and so many more. I just haven't decided yet, but I'm sure I'm gonna come up with something new, something interesting, yes, for you all. So I'm hoping to get you guys' support, and yeah, without wasting much of the time, let's just get straight to the braiding part now. Pretty, very soft, and I got this in a cheap price, so yeah. Okay, first of all, let's keep these extensions on the side. We don't need them right now, so let's focus on this one. I've separated the extension in two parts, one for my hair on the left and one for my hair on the right. And they're very long, see? And the color, I've been telling this constantly that the color is so pretty because they are really very pretty. So I'm very excited to get to the braiding part. Guys, I've finally done the braids on my hair on the left. So now I'm gonna show you guys the step-by-step process on how to do it. So first of all, I'm gonna part this extension into two. These are both for my hair on the right. I'm gonna knit this both. First, what you gotta do is you gotta take an elastic rubber band. Next, what you're gonna do, tie this elastic band into your hair. Okay, just like this. And similarly, you're gonna tie the other extension in the same way in the other hair. It looks funny.